In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a floor plan in Planner 5D. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to click on the Planner 5D logo top left to actually go to your space, okay? And then whenever you see your spaces over here, you want to click on the one you're currently working with. So for me, it's this one. I'm going to click on it. And then here you can see a bunch of different buttons. This one over here says upload a plan. So you want to click on the upload a plan button. And then from here, it says one processing, and you have to upload your floor plan for processing and further recognition. So here are the supported formats. You have JPEG, PNG, PDF, DWG, and you have some recommendations over here as well. I'm just gonna click on upload over here, or you could just go ahead and drag and drop your images or documents in here as well, okay? So I'm gonna click on that, click on my PNG, and click on open. Whenever you do this, it's going to start recognizing. As you can see, it says please wait, we'll notify you once it's ready. So here, at this point, you simply have to wait for a few seconds, up to like a few minutes for this to actually complete. There we go, so now it says recognition has started, it's in a queue now, you'll get a notification and email once it's ready. So here you can just click on the continue button and wait to get an email or of course for this to complete. Okay, so as you can see here, this is now done, and I have this AI upload over here, and to my email, I've also received a notification that it's now done, and I can, of course, see and open the project. So if I now click on this over here, it's gonna open the project, which got recognized from the PNG image, and over here, it's gonna start loading your catalog and loading everything in, and there we go. As you can see over here, it basically rendered this in here, and I've successfully uploaded a floor plan in Planner 5D. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.